Nicholson. SJ.
Okay lang po.
Message for the fans.
Please continue to support us during the remaining of the season. We'll do our best.
Congrats sa playoffs.
Thank you.
See you later.
See you.
Good luck. SJ Belangel.
Congratulations. Good luck sa next na game.
Thank you.
Sa playoffs. Pa-sign naman.
Sige.
You can sign here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Pwede ka na dito.
Pagod na, pagod. Thank you.
SJ,
Pa-picture na.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you po.
Last na, short message for Mais.
For mais.
Mais.
Sarayo.
Ang galing.
See you.
Kinilig ako.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, ganda na kami.
So I bought t-shirts from Daiso. Haven't it marked. Ichado. Thank you so much. Thank you. You guys are the best.
See you again Saturday.
Oh, sorry, can I get your sign, please?
Yeah.
You can sign directly.
Here?
Yeah. On the phone.
Oh,
sorry.
There you go. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
See you.
Take care.